Have you ever wondered how the perfectly cylindrical parts in car engines, industrial machines, or even medical devices are made? The answer lies in CNC turning, a process that combines high-speed rotation and precision cutting to craft components we rely on every day. In this video, we will explore the CNC turning process step by step, showing how raw materials transform into precisely engineered parts that shape our modern world. The first step in our process is measuring the raw material. Using a measuring tape or calipers, we ensure the bar is marked at the exact length required for the shaft. Once the length is marked, we move on to the cutting bar. Here we are using a power saw to make a clean, precise cut through the mild steel. It's important to ensure the cut is straight and smooth, as any uneven edge can affect the machining process later. After cutting, we inspect the piece for accuracy and prepare it for the next stage, CNC turning. With our raw material now cut to the required length, the next step is to secure it into the CNC lathe. For this process, we are using a traditional CNC lathe machine, a reliable workhorse that, despite its age, remains highly effective for precision machining tasks. The material is carefully aligned and tightly clamped in the lathe chuck to ensure stability during rotation. While all the CNC lathe may lack some modern features, proper setup and alignment ensure excellent machining results. Once the material is loaded, we begin by smoothing the surface. This process removes irregularities or marks left from cutting, creating a clean and uniform base for the turning process. Even with these older leads, the process remains precise thanks to careful programming and skilled operation. The cutting tool moves along the length of the cylinder, guided by G-code instruction. Each pass ensures a smooth and consistent surface finish, demonstrating the reliability of this traditional machine. With the surface now smooth, the lathe continues the turning process. The cutting tool carefully removes layers of material, revealing the polished and shiny surface underneath. Through this is an older CNC lathe, its mechanical precision and operator expertise make it capable of delivering a flawless finishing, proving that traditional machine can still achieve remarkable results. Now, we transition to a more advanced setup, a modern CNC lathe machine. This cutting-edge technology is designed to enhance precision, increase efficiency, and reduce manual intervention. With features like automated tool changes, enhanced programming interface, and superior speed, this machine represents the evolution of machining technology. Let's watch as it executes the process seamlessly.